Top 10 Auto Repair in Philadelphia. 1. S AutoWorks, 585 reviews, South 33rd Street No. 51. 2. Steve and Dominic's Auto Repair, 540 reviews, Wood Street. 3. Universal Auto Repair Inc., 4.9 826 reviews, Rhawn Street. 4. Resurrected Auto Repair / PA State Inspection and Emissions Station, 4.9 423 reviews, N. Howard Street. 5. Calloway's Diagnostic Auto Repair, 4.9 229 reviews, South 33rd Street. 6. Tech Automotive, 4.9 82 reviews, S. American Street. 7. Marino's Auto Repair, 4.9 79 reviews, Alter Street. 8. Salhani Auto Service and Sales Emissions and State Inspection Station, 4.8 878 reviews, Roosevelt Boulevard. 9. Ken's Automotive, 4.8 701 reviews, North 10th Street. 10. CK Auto Image Repairs LLC, 4.8 303 reviews, Washington Avenue.